here we are back in the lab, and I'm a little sick, but I've got to keep this thing rolling. So today I'm going to make an Ethernet cable. It's an easy thing to do. And I have a crimp tool, my little connectors, and some Ethernet, or some Cat5. So first you strip the cable. Just do about an inch. And then just start to separate the pairs and untwist them. And the order is going to be orange and white, orange. And as I pull the wires out, I just give them a little pull like this, straightens them out. Orange and white, orange, green and white next. Straighten it out. Blue. Blue and white. Then green. Then brown and white. And then brown. Okay, so orange and white, orange. Just double check that I have them correct. Kind of hold them together like that. Orange and white, orange. Green and white, blue. Blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. Looks good. So then this tool has a handy little cutter. So I just hold in my thumb about like that much, and then just leave a little cut just in front of my fingertip. Like that. Keep holding, and then with the connector upside down, or the contacts facing up, insert with orange and white toward the back. Like that, all the way to the front. You should be able to see copper contact at the front, and hopefully the wires are fairly straight. Hold it in place, put it in the crimp tool, and I apply downward pressure and squeeze a couple times, like that. And then just wiggle it out of there. Unflatten the pin, or the little snap thingy, and there's one end. So we'll do the same thing on the other end, and should be good to go.